Proctor dares to combine these things that seem to be opposites. So it's this interesting juxtaposition of together, and we'll take care of the individual. An experiential program with an incredible academic classroom education. There's 17 learning specialists who work at Proctor every day in a rigorous college prep school environment. We're all on a first name basis here, and I've never been treated with more respect. When you walk around, you'll see kids doing their own thing. That's sort of isotropic within defined boundaries and fences. We're trying to build resilient, thoughtful, imperfect, wonderful, honest human beings.
There's no other time in my life when I'll be able to sit in a classroom and learn about Van Gogh and then go around Arles and see where he painted certain paintings.
A lot of our classes, we like you're sitting in a circle in your class, and like the teacher's in that circle with you. It feels like you're on the same level as your teacher, and I think that helps me personally learn so much better because I'm able to ask whatever questions I want and I feel comfortable with my teacher.
There is a really strong community of people that are really excited to learn, and that is really powerful. It's cool to be interested in what you're learning about.
I enjoy going to Math Extra Help because I'm surrounded by peers who are excited to learn and my math teachers who are excited to teach, and that gets me excited about what I'm learning about.
A couple of weeks ago we had an open mic for singers and people who wanted to perform and play music, and we had a football game that night, and pretty much everybody that was at the football game came straight from there to here and just shared that same level of excitement.
The little traditions that you make with your friends, we would wake up at like 4:30 and go over to the ski hill, hike the ski hill and watch the sunrise on the top of the ski hill like that last morning before we all like spread out and go back home.